Hi everyone! I'm back. Hi! So, ano ba? Hi everyone! This is my first time to make an unboxing video and I'm so excited! Piling-pikita ko nung binili ko siya sa store. Oh! Yung Tita level ko as in level up na. Mga ganitong items na nagpapakilig sa akin. So without further ado, I'll be unboxing. Dun, 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 dun. Vacuum cleaner. And this is from my favorite store, from the Me store. Here in Cebu, they are located at Ayala Central Block. Lysol na ako siya. Lysol and Lysol. It's the Me Handheld vacuum cleaner. A one-seat Me Handheld vacuum cleaner. So in the back, we have manual, girl. Manual. Ay, hindi mo siya manual wala siya kabot. This is the manual. This is the manual. I'm sure English translation and languages that I don't understand and so do you. Okay, here. Smell of new cartoon. Smell of cartoon. I always love the smell. New open box. And is the charging outlet. So this is where you charge it. One is the it's the charger. It kind of has plastic. So may tawag ani ka ng one of its basahin ang manual bago paghusga. Accessories. Product overview. This is the power adapter. 2-in-1 charging and storage mount. So you can mount it to walls like that. It's a soft roller brush bar. Ooh. Nice yung bristle. So fine. And this one is called the
1 hour later.
Is the vacuum. Naka-on siya. And this one, so long. Extension rod. It extends. Nakapagay na tago. Ooh, this one is called wrong the itong ganina. This one is called the very soft roller brush bar. So electric mite bar for makakuha siya dust mites. So crevice nozzle. Yes, I don't know what crevice it means, but yeah, na siya. And this one is the 2-in-1 brush nozzle. Di lagi siya. Saan may pag-pull? Okay. Here is the vacuum. It's kinda bugat for me because wala ko'y kusog. I don't have muscles, so so it has HEPA filter assembly. Sinabi nung salesman sa akin, the difference between the 1C and the previous check adjustment. So you can adjust the strongness of your sections. 1, 2, and 3. So diba? Ganun siya kalahat. So, same 1, same 2, same 3. Ano siya off? Saan mag-off? 7 days replacement warranty. So I bought this 3 days ago. So kung naiguba-guba, ilan lang ka days di ay at anak ko din marabisa. First, let's try this nozzle. Ooh, it clicks. Kanina more legit. Or siyang basketball. Diba? Okay. Diba, Martian trip. Trip siya syempre. May. Ano siya? Ay, okay, wala ko din. Oh. This, and the charging port. Charging port. But it's not yung pag-off. Hindi. It's not pag-off. Let's read this. Okay. So, more today siya. Wala today siya on-off button. Well then, I'm going to do that's life. So, as you can see here, it's charging. This time, we will try to charge it using this one. Or a very big mess in my bedroom, so it's time to clean it up. Daghan kay kog hair fall because my hair is so long na. Hair fall and abogs in my hair. Under that. So na siya'y bilin-bilin kani. What I love about Xiaomi is I love Xiaomi so much. Xiaomi. My first Xiaomi. My first Xiaomi purchase was a purifier. So thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video.
Thank you. Ini sa iyo YouTube boy. Anong rag? Siya ba ito nakata? Bata pa ba kayo? Uy, kabayot to. Uy. Gilayo yun. The best.